Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a Discord.py bot after we've installed Python. So last video I showed you how to install pip and I showed you how to install Python. Now if you haven't watched those videos, or if you don't have both of them installed or one of them installed, watch what you need to watch to make sure you have everything. So to check if you have Python installed, I installed the latest version of Python 3.8, which is 3.8.7. Now, that's how you check if you have Python installed. Is to exit that line, you just do exit and parentheses. Now, to install Discord.py, you just do, well, I already installed it, but I'll show you how you can do it. Pip install Discord.py voice, because I'm gonna be adding voice support later, maybe, good chance I probably will. Or you could install it this way. Because there is another way to install it on Windows. Well, the same way with pip, but yeah, this way. So yeah, I'll be using this way because I'm installing voice because I have a bot that uses voice. Python, because I don't have any other version. Python and pip install Discord.py voice. Or if you already have a folder set up like this one which has all my repositories, what you could do is you could find the path to that folder. So I'll just do, there it is. Okay. Yeah, so I'll be using this one. CD. Yep, there we go. Then you could do Python -n then botn. It's gonna take a while here, but if you look here, you'll notice you have a new environment installed. I need to update my get remote. Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay, so we have many things here. I still didn't commit the botn, so I'll just do this. Okay, there we go. So I hope that doesn't make sense. So yeah, now if you do botn/script/activate.bat, you'll get this. If you're on Linux or Mac OS, it should be something like this: source botn/bin/activate. No .bat because that's specifically for Windows, I think. So yeah, let's get the coding this bot. Now, I'll just create a new folder over here. No, not a new folder. A new file. Okay, I'll just do this. Main.py. Change. Okay, here we go. I have a new Python file. Open with. Because I want to set my default tab. I'll use this. And here we go. As you can see, I'm opening this Python file. It's taking a while. Now you can use whatever else text editor you have, but I'll be using Visual Studio 2019. Now here we go. Yeah, see this? So we specifically installed. Okay, so we installed the Discord.py. Now I'm not sure if there's a command prompt here or anything, but let's go import Discord. And if this shows up, so if it gives you import Discord, okay, so one sec. If it gives you Discord in the bottom, that means it's probably working. It's So from discord.ext, import command. So now it's a, I'm not. I think this means discord.extensions. Oh, there we go. See, this works. Yeah, it worked. So I think that means it's importing from either. Yeah, no, this is importing from a. No, this is. I'm almost certain that this is importing from either a folder. No, this is importing from a folder. And so it's discord dot extensions, which is the folder, import commands, which is the file, I think. So let's do this now. Now I'll also add a certain type of prefix to this bot, so I'll also be doing from discord.ext.commands import when mentioned or. I think that's the right. Yeah, that's the one. And from discord.ext.commands import bar. Yeah, import bar. Yeah, okay. So, and now we're gonna do this. Client equal bot command prefix equals when mentioned or for this bot I'll just set it something like that. Yeah. What else do we want to add? Case insensitive. Case insensitive equal true. Yeah, okay. We're gonna want to add intents to the spot. Discord.intents.all. And that's all I think we want to add. Now let's get to writing our first command. What command do we want to write? Oh yeah, we also want to add an event. Now, an event is like when something happens. So let's say the bot sees a naughty word in the chat. It's gonna say, "Oh, I found a bad word. Oh no." So I'm gonna delete this word, and you would actually do that with an on message function. You would check for that with that, but we just wanted to print a message when the bot comes online. So what I'm gonna do, @client, and we defined client over here, dot event, async def on ready, print I am now online. And we're gonna want to run that as well. Client.run. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a good way of hiding your token so that nobody steals it, but it involves installing something. So you're gonna want to do this. Pip install -u python.end. I'll just be upgrading pip. You might not need to do this depending on what version of pip you have, but I seem to have an older version. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to add a file. I'll call this file. No, I don't want to call it that. I want to call it something .env. Now this means if you're using GitHub, which I am, when you commit this file, when you push anything to the repository, this file will be hidden and will not be pushed. So you don't need to add it to .get ignore. So now we need to add we need to create the bot. So I'll just go to discord.com/developer/application. Okay, here we have a couple of bots. Okay, we're gonna add some random bot like call it tutorial bot. Create. Now I'll just transfer this bot. You don't need to do this. I'll transfer to the stuff. And now I have two-factor authentication enabled. So I just need to write this in. There we go, just in time. And since we also enabled intents, we're gonna have to activate that in the bot. So we're gonna go here, click on add bot. Yes, do it. This is up to you. The server members intent. There we go. Bot administrator. And I have a random server for this. So I'll just bring it to... Where do I want to bring it? No. Yeah, distinctly server. Sounds good. 0 servers. And yeah, it's in a server now. Yeah, there you go. It's here. What are we gonna do? Now we're gonna wanna go here, and you're gonna see token. So, we're just gonna wanna edit this file soon, but notification. Alright, so we're gonna wanna edit this file. .env. I'll just edit it with Notepad. I think opening it with Microsoft Visual Studio is a bit OP, to be honest. So I'll just do copy token equals now I'll be changing this. Never reveals this to anyone unless you're working with them. Now, I installed I showed you how to install python.env, so we're just gonna do import os from .env import load .env. Okay. So we're gonna add this here. Load.env os.getEnv token. And we're gonna save that. So I just do Control S. I think if you go into File, you should see something like Save All, Save Main Prop, blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna be removing useless lines over here. Oh yeah, and let's write a test command. So we're just gonna add point.command async stuff. I don't know. We're gonna use hi. So no, we're CTX. Okay. Context. CTX means context. You're gonna need this. Okay. Oh, async def hi. I made a mistake there. So wait ctx.send hi ctx.author.mention, and we're gonna add this here. Ooh. Yeah. And we're gonna save that. Okay. Now we're gonna run this bot. We're just gonna be opening this. I'll be using this. .env slash script slash activate .dat and Python. I really hope this works. Alright, 129. Where is that? Oh, huh? What's the problem here exactly? 129. Okay, hold on, I'll just open Visual Studio again, 1 second. Okay, so I found the issue. Turns out, Visual Studio, one of the parentheses here got removed, so as you can see we only have 3. We should have 4, so we're just gonna do bam, this. And now it should work. Python main.py. No module main pip install -u discord.py voice. That's kind of strange. Oh yeah, it wasn't installed here. Okay, let's try this again. Python main.py. Oh, I think it's gonna work. Yeah, it worked. Okay. Now, in the server, let's do help show. Yeah, it worked. And if we do hi, see, it works. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like, and happy programming, everyone. Bye.